How's it going? This is your Supply Chain Pro here, and in today's video, we are providing 50 general facts about wooden pallets. Wooden pallets are the most common type of pallet used worldwide. They were first widely adopted during World War II to move military supplies more efficiently. Standard wooden pallets are typically made from softwood like pine or hardwood like oak. The most common pallet size in North America is 48 inches by 40 inches, and this is known as the standard GMA pallet. Europe's most common pallet is the Euro pallet, also called EPAL, measuring 1,200 millimeters by 800 millimeters. A standard wooden pallet usually weighs between 30 and 70 pounds, depending on the wood type and its size. Wooden pallets are used in over 90% of all goods shipping within the United States. Over 2 billion wooden pallets are in circulation in the United States alone. And globally, wooden pallets account for about 80 to 90% of total pallet usage. Pallets are essential for forklift and pallet jack handling. A pallet is made of deck boards, that's the top and the bottom slats, stringers, those are the side support beams, or blocks, and can have bottom supporting planks. Wooden pallets can be two-way, that's entry from only the front and the back of the pallet, or four-way, that's entry from all four sides. Most pallets are heat-treated or fumigated to prevent pests and comply with international shipping standards. ISPM 15 is the global regulation for treating wooden pallets for export between countries. Pallets can support thousands of pounds when stacked correctly. A typical GMA pallet holds up to 4,600 pounds of static load. Pallets can be designed as nestable, stackable, or rackable, depending on warehouse needs. Wooden pallets can be repaired by replacing the broken boards. Pallet lifespans average about 3 to 5 years, depending on usage and turns. Pallets are critical for supply chain efficiency, allowing bulk handling. Grocery chains and retailers rely on pallets for quick stocking and transport. Pallets reduce manual handling, lowering the risk of workplace injuries. Wooden pallets are commonly used for unit loads, where products are wrapped together for shipping. Many pallets are used in closed-loop systems where they circulate only between specific companies. The CHEP and the PICO pallet pools manage millions of reusable pallets worldwide, and you might recognize these being blue or red. Pallets are often exchanged or rented instead of purchased outright. Pallets have standardized sizes to fit in trucks, containers, and racking systems. Wooden pallets are widely used in warehousing, manufacturing, agriculture, retail, and construction. Without pallets, global trade and distribution would be significantly slower and more expensive. Wooden pallets are often made from low-grade lumber that is not suitable for furniture. Broken pallets can be repaired and reused multiple times. At the end of life, pallets can be chipped into mulch, wood pellets, or animal bedding. Some pallets are repurposed into furniture, art, or DIY projects. Recycling wooden pallets reduces landfill waste. Wooden pallets are considered more eco-friendly than plastic when recycled properly. Over 95% of pallets are recycled or reused in the U.S. each year. Pallet recycling is a major industry with dedicated pallet repair companies. Heat-treated pallets are safer to recycle than chemically treated ones. Using wooden pallets help promote a circular economy. Wooden pallets have inspired pallet furniture trends, such as pallet couches and pallet beds. Some artists use pallets as canvases or sculpted material. Pallets are sometimes burned as firewood, though this can be unsafe if they were treated with chemicals. A pallet shortage can disrupt supply chains as seen during the COVID-19 pandemic. Wooden pallets have barcodes, or RFID tags, or paint markings that are used for tracking. Some pallets are branded with company logos or specific print colors. Wooden pallets are often sold in graded conditions, A grade, B grade, or C grade, for example, to determine their quality. Pallet quality affects warehouse safety. Damaged pallets can cause accidents. Pallets are sometimes called the backbone of global trade, and without pallets, modern logistics as we know it would not exist. Comment down below if you know a fact about pallets that was not covered in today's video. If you found value in the content of this video, like and subscribe to the channel. This is your Supply Chain Pro, out.